I've been making way more videos lately, and my poor little hard drive is begging for mercy. So it was time to bring in the big guns. Say hello to the Seagate IronWolf 8TB NAS hard drive. Let's crack this thing open. Inside, we've got the user manual, the warranty booklet, in case the unthinkable happens, and the star of the show, the hard drive itself, packed tightly in plastic and padded like it's about to go on tour. I gave it a once over, no scratches, no dents, looking mint. Oh, and for all my fellow paranoid techies out there, yes, I taped over the serial number. Safety first, folks. Now it's time to plug it in. I popped it into my hard drive reader, hooked it up to my laptop, and opened disk management. From there, it's as easy as initialize disk, create new sample volume, name it something cool. Mine's called Big Wolf Storage because, come on, that's awesome. And boom, just like that, we're live with a massive 8 terabytes of storage. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.